In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your DNS records from cPanel to Wix, ensuring your domain points to the new hosting service correctly. First, we'll start by logging into your cPanel account. If you're new to cPanel, don't worry. It's essentially the control panel where you manage many aspects of your web hosting, including your DNS settings. Once you've logged in, you'll want to navigate directly to the zone editor or DNS settings for your domain. These settings are pivotal as they control how your domain connects to the internet. Now, in the DNS settings, look for the necessary DNS records. These are typically an IP address for the A record and a target address for the CNAME record. The A record commonly uses the host @ indicating that it applies to your root domain. The CNAME record usually uses the host /, directing traffic to a specified address. If for any reason you can't find this information, it's a good idea to reach out to your host. They can provide the exact details you need to enter. With those DNS records in hand, your next move is to update them in your Wix account. So head over to the domain section within your Wix account. Here you'll find a list of all your domains. Next to the domain you're working on, look for the Domain Actions menu and click on it. From the drop-down, select Manage DNS Records. This is where we'll enter the new information. As you delve into the DNS records section, pay attention to see if there are pre-existing A and CNAME records. If they exist, you'll need to edit them with the new information. If they don't, simply add the new records. For the A record, input the IP address you obtained from your cPanel host. Remember, the host is often denoted as @, which plays a crucial role as it refers to your root domain. Moving on to the CNAME record, you'll need to enter the target address provided by your host. Typically, the host field for the key name record is www, and it should point to a specific address, often something like www.192.uixdns.net. Getting this address right ensures that visitors who enter W before your domain will be directed correctly. After you've carefully entered these records, don't forget to save your changes. This might seem like a small step, but it's crucial. This action confirms to Wix that you've implemented the modifications. Keep in mind, DNS changes can take some time to propagate, sometimes up to 48 hours. So be patient as those changes take effect across the internet. And there you have it, the seamless process of updating your DNS records from cPanel to Wix to keep your online presence running smoothly. Thank you for following along in this tutorial today. And if you found it helpful, be sure to stay tuned for more informative content.